5 Home Remedies for a Sore Throat. At first, a sore throat can just be a simple affliction. However, over time it can grow in annoyance until it becomes a serious problem. In order to avoid it, you need to know a few home remedies for a sore throat. Not much attention has been paid to this type of ailment. At the slightest provocation, however, it can become the protagonist in your very own horror film. A sore throat that won't go away can really grab your attention. Although it's so simple to explain, the symptoms and the pain are real problems. In addition to the pain it causes, you can also experience itching and inflammation. Other indirect symptoms may also be present. These will depend on the underlying cause, and how quickly you are able to identify the problem. Some of the following accompanying symptoms stand out. Fever, headache, inflammation, vomiting. Causes of a sore throat. Overall, the factors that cause a sore throat are quite diverse. Thus, you need to remember any prior diseases or activities you've engaged in to be able to conclusively determine the origin. Among the most common causes, you'll find bacteria, pharyngitis, cigarette smoking, tonsillitis, breathing contaminated air, breathing through your mouth at night, pet hair. Home remedies for a sore throat. Because of the immense discomfort a sore throat can cause, there are a series of home and natural treatments that can help. Apple cider vinegar. Prevent these microorganisms from taking up residence in the area. An excellent alternative treatment is apple cider vinegar. It has antibacterial properties and is easy to use. Ingredients: a cup of warm water, 200 milliliters, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 10 milliliters, 1 tablespoon of salt, 10 grams. Preparation: first, add the vinegar and salt to the cup of warm water and stir until well mixed. Gargle with this mixture for at least 5 minutes. Garlic. Garlic. Garlic stands out an excellent home remedy to treat intense and uncomfortable throat pain. The benefits of this spice are thanks to a compound known as allicin, which helps fight germs and eliminate bacteria. Ingredients: 1 clove of garlic. How to use it? This home remedy doesn't need any preparation. Just take a clove of garlic and cut it in half. Place one half on each side of your mouth, inside your cheeks, and allow it to take effect. Cinnamon. Cinnamon by itself can cause a gag reflex in your throat. However, if you use it properly, it can aid with the treatment of pain in this region. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 10 grams, 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon, 10 grams, a cup of warm water, 200 milliliters. Preparation: first, add the ground pepper and the cinnamon to a cup of water and mix until you get mixed liquid. Note: if ground cinnamon isn't available, you can substitute cinnamon oil. Chamomile tea. In addition, the main properties of chamomile tea can help treat your sore throat. This tea is known for its ability to relax your muscles, which can alleviate pain and discomfort. Chamomile tea is also known for being a naturally occurring antibacterial product. Ingredients: a cup of water, 250 milliliters, 1 tablespoon of chamomile, 10 grams, 1 tablespoon of honey, 25 grams, 2 to 3 drops of lemon juice. Preparation: add the chamomile to a cup of boiling water and allow it to steep for 10 minutes. Strain off the liquid, add the honey and lemon juice, and then drink it. Honey. Famous for its antibacterial properties. Honey helps cleanse the walls of your pharynx and your airways. For this reason, it's often also used to treat flu-like cough symptoms. Ingredients: 1 cup of water, 200 milliliters, 2 tablespoons of honey, 50 grams. Preparation: heat the water, add the 2 tablespoons of honey, and mix well. It's a good idea to drink this beverage as hot as possible, 3 times a day.